So he gave me a bagel. Last time I ever eat there, I tell you.
When can the operation be carried out, Doctor?
I am not certain, sir, that I understand how or upon whom such an operation could be performed.
Have you ever thought you would like to be a man?
But I am a robot, sir.
A robot? As in a robo-pirate?
Well, sure, I guess.
Awesome.
Oh hey guys, guess how long my dingle is?
6 inches?
No, bigger than that.
A foot?
No.
A yard?
No.
A mile?
No, it's 15 centimeters. Now guess what color it is?
Your games suck, Guybrush. Let's play Hungry Hungry Hippos.
No. Hey, guess what? I'm in search of treasure.
Read any good books lately, Bart?
The biggest treasure of them all, if you catch my drift.
You know I can't read, Fink.
Alright, sorry.
A treasure so valuable and so well hidden that it haunts the dreams of every pirate on the seas.
What the hell are you talking about, Thrushweed?
I think he's looking for a...
Big whoopsie.
Sure, why not?
Then why'd you come here? There's no sailor boys on rough and tumble piratey type seamen here.
You said seaman.
Now I'm trying to charter a Nancy boy ship and look someplace else. When I return, I'll have bitches galore and a horror new story.
Or you'll have died trying. Of AIDS.
Either way, we won't have to hear about the Chuck E. Cheese anymore. Seaman.